Sobrang sarap.
Come to Papa!
How's the taste? Hey guys, it's me, Kuya Milton. Kamusta sa lahat? And today we are going to be making tofu sisig or Filipino spicy tofu. It's one of my favorite dishes. Normally sisig is made with meat, and I've actually made a recipe.
Link down below.
But today we're going to be making the vegetarian version. But don't worry, it's just as good, if not better, than the original. Trust me.
Trust me, I'm like a smart person.
But before we begin, if you could please hit that like and subscribe button, it would really help me out. Anyway, let's get started. Cut this into squares. You want them like in these big bite-sized pieces. Next, we're gonna take some chilies. You can find these at any Asian market, but you can also use jalapeno. And in my opinion, a combination of both of these tastes the best. So it's up to you if you want it more spicy, but to make it look a little more cleaner, we're gonna remove the seeds, and this is how you do it. Cut in the middle. Just gonna cut like that. That big piece comes out. Down, boom. That big piece, this comes out. And just a tip, instead of using your fingers to remove it, which can get your fingers kind of spicy, you're just gonna do this. Easy. Then we're gonna cut it long ways. Line them up just like this. And these you want a little smaller than the onions. And lastly, we're gonna take some green onion. Divide it between the white and this. And this is gonna be used as garnish. Now we're gonna prepare our tofu. Straight down. So this is how it should look. There's a lot of water inside, so when you fry it, it's gonna shrink. Now it's time to deep fry. Now just be careful, tofu obviously has a lot of water in it, so it might splash. Tofu is really soft, so you don't wanna keep on touching it right at the beginning because it's gonna break up. Just let it cook for a little bit. Okay, it's been about 15 minutes. We're gonna take it out. All right, look at that nice golden color. Doesn't have to be super crispy, but just get enough color all the way around. Okay, to a hot pan, we gotta add some butter. You can add oil too, but if you want it to taste better, add some butter. Now we're gonna take what we cut before and add it. Green, garlic, and some of the chili. Wow, it smells really good. We're gonna add our tofu now. Now we're gonna add our mayo, oyster sauce, pepper, and just a little salt. The oyster sauce has salt already. Now we're gonna take the remainder and mix it. Oh wow, look at that. All right, it's ready. And there you have it, tofu sisig, Filipino spicy tofu. Oh my gosh, so colorful, right? Oh, smells amazing, looks really good, but it doesn't really matter how's the look, right? What matters is, how's the taste? All right, let's try. Oh my gosh, buttery, creamy, spicy tofu. Here we go. Wow. So much flavor. I'm gonna have a little bit of piece of everything in there. Spicy, creamy from the mayo.
Oh yeah.
Wow, so good. Nice texture, right? The outside of the tofu is crispy. The inside is nice and fluffy, soft. Wow, I love it. This is one of my favorite vegetarian dishes. Wow, sobrang sarap. Okay guys, that's it for this video. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Comment down below for whatever recipe you'd like to see me do next. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!